Welcome to my page. Here I will help you with your property journey. Being a landlord in Wales in 2025 comes with significant responsibilities and legal requirements that you simply cannot ignore. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in the rental game for years, staying compliant with Welsh property legislation is absolutely crucial for your success and avoiding costly penalties. First and foremost, every landlord in Wales must be registered with Rent Smart Wales. This isn't optional, it's the law. You need to complete their mandatory training course and maintain your registration, which includes renewal fees every few years. If you're using a letting agent, make sure they're also properly registered and licensed. The penalties for operating without registration can be severe, including unlimited fines and being banned from letting property. Your property must meet the fitness for human habitation standards, which means it needs to be safe, healthy and suitable for occupation. This covers everything from structural integrity to damp problems, ventilation and pest control. You're legally required to address any Category 1 hazards immediately and deal with Category 2 hazards promptly. Regular property inspections aren't just good practice, they're essential for identifying issues before they become legal problems. Safety certificates are non-negotiable requirements that every Welsh landlord must maintain. Your electrical installation needs testing every 5 years by a qualified electrician, producing an EICR certificate. Gas appliances require annual safety checks by a gas-safe registered engineer, and you must provide tenants with a copy of the CP12 certificate within 28 days. Don't forget about smoke alarms on every floor and carbon monoxide detectors in rooms with gas appliances or solid fuel heating. These aren't just recommendations, they're legal requirements that could save lives. Energy efficiency is becoming increasingly important, and your property must have a valid energy performance certificate with a minimum rating of E. Properties falling below this standard cannot be legally rented unless you have a valid exemption registered with the local authority. With environmental regulations tightening, it's wise to plan ahead for potential future improvements to your property's energy efficiency. When it comes to managing tenancies, your deposit protection obligations are absolutely critical. You must protect your tenant's deposit in a government-approved scheme within 30 days of receiving it, and provide all the prescribed information about how it's protected. Failure to do this properly can result in paying your tenant up to 3 times the deposit amount in compensation, plus you won't be able to serve valid Section 21 notices. Right to rent checks are mandatory for all adult occupants before they move in. You need to see original documents proving their right to live in the UK, take copies and keep records. Some immigration statuses require follow-up checks, so make sure you're aware of any time limits on your tenant's permission to stay. Your tenancy agreement should be comprehensive and comply with Welsh consumer protection laws. Include clear terms about rent, repairs, notice periods, and both parties' responsibilities. Consider including break clauses that work for both you and your tenants, and make sure any rent review mechanisms are fair and legally compliant. Proper insurance coverage is essential for protecting your investment. Buildings insurance is obvious, but consider landlord-specific policies that cover loss of rent, legal expenses and liability claims. If you're providing furnished accommodation, make sure your contents are adequately covered too. Don't underestimate the importance of maintaining detailed financial records. You need to declare rental income on your tax returns, but you can also claim legitimate expenses like repairs, maintenance, insurance and professional fees. Keep every receipt and invoice, maintain clear records of rental payments, and consider using property management software to streamline your bookkeeping. Building good relationships with reliable contractors is invaluable for property maintenance. You need to be able to respond quickly to repair requests, especially emergencies involving heating, hot water or security. Having trusted plumbers, electricians and general maintenance workers on speed dial will save you time, money and stress when problems arise. Finally, stay informed about legislative changes affecting Welsh landlords. The Renting Homes Act continues to be implemented in phases, bringing significant changes to how tenancies work in Wales. Join local landlord associations, attend training sessions, and consider working with experienced letting agents or property management companies if you need additional support. Remember, being a successful landlord isn't just about collecting rent. It's about providing safe, well-maintained homes while staying compliant with all legal requirements. This might seem overwhelming, but taking a systematic approach and staying organised will help you build a profitable and sustainable rental property business. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. And if you found this useful, please like it or share it with friends and family that would benefit from the content.